Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the 4-day sale going on at Dollar General this week, plus much more. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first of all, happy penny shopping Tuesday, everybody. Today is Tuesday, October the 24th. We have new clearance markdowns and an amazing penny list. So if you have missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out, and then run out to your local DG and see if you can find any of those penny items. Also, don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the videos all the way through. It helps me, and it helps you, and it helps me help you. So please watch the videos all the way through. That way you don't miss out on any details, and then you can go and get in on some crazy, amazing deals. Alright guys, now next up, you're going to see a few pictures of my recent hauls that I've done over the month of October. These really aren't important, but I just wanted to throw these up there and remind you all to please make sure that you're checking on the community tab. Unfortunately, YouTube does not send out notifications for the community post or for YouTube Shorts. So make sure that you're checking over there frequently. I've been asking y'all questions. I have also posted a poll. I have been posting deals, codes, links, all kinds of good stuff. So once you're done watching this video, make sure that you check out the community tab. Sunday, we received some gain coupons on our accounts. So different accounts receive different values. I have an account with a 5 off 20. I have another one with a 7 off 30 and another one with a 10 off 40. So please let me know which one did you receive down in the comment section below, and that will help me figure out what we're going to do for our 5 off $25 scenarios. All right, now that we have the house cleaning taken care of, let's go ahead and talk about this 4-day sale. So this sale will start tomorrow on Wednesday, October the 25th, and it is going to run through Saturday, October the 28th. So don't forget that you can include these deals in with your 5 off $25 scenarios. All right, so first up, we have a really good sale on these sodas, or the pops, or the Cokes, whichever one you call it. Let me know down in the comment section. We have Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, and Sunkist 6-packs. They're going to be on sale for $13. Next up, also included, we have the Little Debbie snack cakes. These are going to be on sale 2 for $5. All right, next up, we have several candy deals. So here we have the Laffy Taffy, Nerds, Sweet Tarts, or the Black Forest Gummies, 20 count. These are normally priced at $5 each. They're going to be on sale, buy 2, get 1 free, so you're paying $10 for 3 bags. All right, next up we have the bags of the Laffy Taffy, Trolley, and Nerds. These are normally $10 each. They're going to be on sale, buy 1, get 1 50% off. So that's going to leave you paying $15 for 2. Next up, we have the Butterfinger Variety Bag. These are priced at $5.50. We did receive a digital coupon for buy 1, get 1 half off. So that's going to leave you paying $8.25 for 2. All right, next up we have these huge 140 count variety bags of candy. These are normally priced at $15. They're on sale for $14. And we have a 2 off 10 DG store coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $12. Next up, we have the bags of the Fruit Roll-Ups or the Fruit by the Foot. These are going to be on sale 2 for $7. And y'all don't forget that with this 4-day sale, we may have a few little glitches popping up. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on, and let's all cross our fingers. All right, next up, also included in this 4-day sale, we have the Toastmaster appliances. Now these are normally anywhere from $15 all the way up to $18. All of those are going to be on sale for just $6, so a huge savings there. Next up, we have the bags of Chex Mix and Garditos. These are going to be on sale 2 for $5, and we do have a 75 cents off of 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.25 for 2. Next up, we have the True Living Kitchen Gadgets, normally priced anywhere from $1 to $6.50 each. They're going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. Next, we have the Betty Crocker Cookie or Muffin Mixes. These start out at $1.25 each, and they're going to be on sale buy 2, get 1 for free, so you're going to pay $2.50 for 3 bags. Next up, also included, we have the Glade Scented Oil Starter Kits and the Wax Melts. They're going to be on sale for $3.50. All right, moving right along, we also have our Dawn sponges and brushes. These are normally $3 to $5 each, and they're going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. Next up, we have these Sparkle 2 count double roll paper towels. These are going to be on sale for $3.50. And we also have the Pedigree dog food pouches 8 count. These are normally $7.95, but they're going to be on sale for $6.95. Also included in this sale, we have the the Forever Pals pet toys. These are going to be on sale for $4.50. And that's going to wrap it up for our 4-day sale going on this week at Dollar General. Don't forget that the first day of this sale is tomorrow on Wednesday, October the 25th, and it is going to run through Saturday. And also, just a quick friendly reminder about this DG Store coupon. Some accounts received a 3 off 15 DG Store coupon earlier this month. If you have this on your account available to clip, you can find it in your wallet under the Just For You coupons. Now, this coupon does expire this Saturday on October the 28th, and if you clip it, you want to make sure that you clip it before Saturday and use it before you go and do your 5 off $25 scenarios, because the 3 off 15, it is a lower value coupon, so that one will come off first at the register. And y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications, because I have already put together a couple of 3 off 15 deals that I'm going to be sharing with y'all in the next video. And last but certainly not least, I wanted to throw in a few more candy deals, because as we all know, Halloween is right around the corner. And don't forget that you can pair these deals up with that 3 off 15 DG Store coupon, or you can save them until Saturday and pair them up with your 5 off 25s. So first up, we have the 6.9 ounce bags of the Mars candy. They are priced at $3.95. Pick up 3. Use our 2 off 10 DG Store coupon and you're paying $9.85 for 3 bags. Next up, we have the 50 count bags of the Mars candy. These are priced at $6.25. Pick up 2. Use that 2 off 10 and that's going to leave you paying $10.50 for 2. Next up, we have the 20.5 ounce bags of the Hershey's candy. These are priced at $10.50. We have a 2 off 9 DG Store coupon that is attaching, so that's going to leave you paying $8.50. All right, for this next deal, you want to pick up 2 bags of the 8 ounce Reese's miniatures priced at $4.25 each. Then you want to pick up one of the Reese's snack size candy packs. Those are priced at $1.25. We have a 2 off 10 DG Store coupon for the Reese's, plus we have a 1 off 2 manufacturer coupon. Both of those will stack and you're going to pay $6.75 for all 3. All right, next up we have this amazing DG Store coupon. It's 5 off 20 on the Hershey's Halloween candy. And for those of you all wondering, yes, this did stack and work with 5 off 25 on Saturday. So if you want to pick up 4 of the 19.5 ounce bags of the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, they are on sale, 2 for $10 this week. With this 5 off 20 DG Store coupon, that's going to leave you paying $15 for 4 bags. Now, we also have the 35 count bags of the Reese's Halloween candy. These are priced at $5.50. Pick up 4, use that coupon, you're paying $17 for 4 bags. Or you could also pick up 2 bags of the 100 count miniatures variety pack. These are priced at $10 each. After the coupon, you're paying $15 for 2. And last but certainly not least, we have this 1 off 3 digital coupon on the Werther's. So if you want to pick up the Werther's original, they're priced at $1 each. After the coupon, you're paying $2 for 3 bags. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All those things are quick and easy, free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and it really, really does help me out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.